This sectional was basically worthless because the color didn't match. You can't resell a sectional when two of the pieces are completely different shades. With professional leather color restoration, everything changes. This set can realistically resell for $3,000. When I got involved, it was 3 pieces that just didn't match and you just couldn't sell. So the upside was that the leather itself was in really good shape, no cracking or peeling, but the color just didn't match. So it was basically worthless to them. I was able to first really deep clean everything. You know, you gotta get the dirt, you gotta get the soiling, any oils off the leather, so that it's ready to prep for color. And then you do the prep, which is super important in this case. You find sandpaper it, 400 grit paper, go over it again with an adhesion promoter. And then comes, the real challenging step of matching the 2 tones, the base color, which is going to be a orangey almost. And then you create the print coat, which is going to have some clear in it. It's going to be more transparent. It's almost a purple color. Then going with clear coat at the end, you got to go with at least 2 layers. I go horizontal across the cushion, dry it, and then I go vertical front to back on each cushion. So you get a crisscross clear coat pattern applied. And that's what really makes this durable and valuable, in my opinion. So yeah, check this out. This is the result after all those hours of work at their shop. I was able to get it looking amazing. Again, it looked like it was originally one color sectional. That's the power of the right restoration skills. Not just improving how the furniture looks, but turning low value pieces into real profit. That's why I created this course, is to teach flippers and resellers to take pieces that otherwise they'd have to toss and turn them into $3,000 of profit. So I'd love to share it with you. I'd love for people to join and learn and develop success stories like this. So that's why I'm showing it to you. And that's why I'd love for you to come and be a part of the course with me as well, learning to take leather that is either almost throwaway or throwaway and turn it into thousands of dollars of profit. Look forward to joining with you.